This is your routine weekly briefing for Central North Carolina, covering the period Thursday, August 7th through Wednesday, August 13th. Taking a look at our upcoming weather pattern, there's a slow-moving upper-level system that will bring a good chance of showers today and a possible thunderstorm if you're east of US 1. We'll have a lower chance of showers tomorrow with that upper-level system continuing over the area. Thunderstorm will be possible anywhere tomorrow. Then we get more of an isolated chance of a shower or a thunderstorm over the weekend across the area, and then we'll get back into more of a typical summertime scattered thunderstorm pattern, diurnally driven. The below normal temperatures that we've had the last few days, that's going to continue today, tomorrow, Saturday, into Sunday. We will return to near normal temperatures for our highs, upper 80s into lower 90s starting on Monday, and those temperatures will continue to increase through next week. If we take a look at the accumulated precipitation forecasts through the next 5 days, again, you can see how widespread the precipitation values are today. You can see those dropping off Friday, Saturday, just across the south on Sunday, and then a little bit more coverage on Monday. So as we end up taking a look at that 5-day total in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see that there are some darker greens in there, and that would indicate 1/4 to 1/2 an inch over the next 5 days. Looking at WPC's excessive rainfall outlook, you can end up seeing that outside of the western Piedmont, pretty much anybody could have a scattered heavy downpour today. Tomorrow, that's just limited to Sampson County, and then we shouldn't have to worry about anything like that on Saturday. The severe thunderstorm potential, again, not much of a chance of a thunderstorm across our northwestern counties today. And then we can't rule out a thunderstorm anywhere on Friday or Saturday and days 4 through 8. That just lights up when we have a pretty strong chance that we're outlooked by the Storm Prediction Center. However, we have had several reports of trees falling over the last 24 hours, and we certainly have not had severe thunderstorm winds coming through. That's because of how saturated the ground has been with the rainfall that's occurred. And we do have forecasts of wind gusts up to 25 miles an hour today, and considering how saturated the ground is in some places, that could be enough to bring down a couple of trees. Taking a look at the National Hurricane Center's 7-day graphical tropical weather outlook, you can see that Dexter has moved far out to days. Taking a look at that graphic on the right-hand side of the screen. The orange system would be something that would likely end up remaining well out to sea, and that would end up still taking several days to even come close to approaching North America. The North Carolina drought update, there was a small area of abnormally dry conditions over in the Charlotte metropolitan area, and that has been removed from the outlook. There are some slight tweaks across eastern North Carolina, but again, all of this is abnormally dry. None of this counts as any sort of a drought category. Taking a look at the 8 to 14-day temperature and precipitation outlook, you can see that we're generally in a 50 to 70% chance for above normal temperatures across much of the state, and a 33 to 40% chance for above normal rainfall over that 8 to 14-day period. The experimental graphical hazardous weather outlook, there is a chance of lightning somewhere in the forecast area every day over the next 7 days. That's why all that is lit up. We already took a look at the excessive rainfall potential for today and tomorrow. And then that extreme heat threat, you can end up seeing that lit up by Tuesday and Wednesday. That's when we will have temperatures getting back into the 90s for highs. So the weather summary and expected impacts, again, a slow-moving upper-level system will bring a chance of showers today and tomorrow. We'll have an isolated chance of showers and thunderstorms over the weekend, and then scattered showers and storms return to the forecast next week. Below normal temperatures for the next several days, and then we will end up returning to the upper 80s and to lower 90s starting on Monday. So we do have the chance for scattered heavy downpours today and clipping Sampson County tomorrow. And again, winds well under severe thunderstorm criteria could result in additional trees coming down over the next couple of days.